good? We are gonna create another TikTok, and today we're gonna use the Singapore song. Okay, let's find the song. Guess the title.
You're moving around, man.
Alright, so since the gyms are closed, we decided to bring the gym out. Got some pairs of dumbbells, a bunch of resistance band. Got my trainer here. Got my trainer here. So what are we gonna do today, man? You look really well fitted, man.
Yeah.
So can you just give me a 10-second on what we're gonna do?
Do some circuit. Do some like upper body push-ups. Gonna do like we brought our equipment out, so we're gonna go.
Yes. Alright, so we're gonna do a bunch of bodybuilding stuff.